Good morning, Central Coast, and happy Friday. Well, calm before the storm as we have some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions here this morning. Expect it to stay that way through much of our day. We have a break in that rain this morning, still an impact day. Most of that impact comes later on with our wind advisory and the heavier rainfall to come later tonight with those gusts upwards to 50 miles per hour into our overnights into Saturday morning. Taking a look at our temperatures as of right now, mostly into our 50s, low 50s across the board, 52 for Hollister, 51 Salinas. As we go down farther south Monterey County, we could see 40s on the board, 43 for Parkfield, 45 Bradley, and 46 for Arroyo Seco. As for our wind alerts, that wind advisory comes into effect at 1 p.m. today all the way till 1 p.m. on Saturday. Now those south winds sustained to 25 miles per hour, gusts to 50, and down tree limbs and power lines still a possibility, not as strong as last week's system, but those wind gusts could still topple some trees and power lines. As for our king tides this week, we can see 6.5 feet there of those tides, those high tides at these times. We can see 8:30 today, and then on Saturday, getting a little bit later, but with the amount of rainfall we see, Saturday could be a dangerous time and a higher risk for those coastal flood advisories. As for today, we're going to see an impact day. Again, those impacts happening later tonight with that atmospheric river coming anywhere between 59 to 64 degrees. Forecasted highs today into the 60s, 61 for Hollister, 63 Salinas, and 62 for Carmel Valley. We'll show you your KSBW 8-day forecast. We'll have impacts all the way till Monday, and we should see some of our areas see some clearer conditions by Tuesday, but some areas will also see some of those scattered showers on Wednesday. But then Thursday, we expect most of those clearer conditions throughout here on the Central Coast. Hollister and King City will also see those impacts. We expect up to 3 inches overnight for our coastal mountains from this system, and farther inland should see anywhere from 1/4 of an inch.